Hey everybody, Brennan here from Tribeca Salons, and we just want to introduce you to Dani of HouseOfDaniB. She's one of our designers that's going to be working with us with Cocktails Couture 2022, which remember is on Sunday, February 20th this year. So we invite you to join us, and we have some really amazing stuff planned. And Dani, you've got a huge show of your own set up here now.
Yeah, I'm actually taking advantage of being able to have a full production team because that stuff is very expensive. So being able to participate in this show is a big deal for me because one, it's big in Tampa. I've been trying to get in for the past couple of years. My friend Dejanay, she's my bestie. She's literally 2 doors down. And I've gone with her and helped her backstage at the last 2 shows she did. So I'm like, wow, this is amazing. The sound is good, the light, it's a really, really, really good show. So I'm excited. So I'm taking full advantage of everything.
I'm excited, and thank you so much for working with us on this. You know, this is a big project, big heart project of mine because there's a scholarship and everything like that. So can you give us any little bit of detail without giving away too many secrets about what your show is going to be a little bit about?
Well, okay, so it's Celestial Liberation. This collection will be elevated, modern, chic, mixed with hard and soft fabrics. Colors will also be a mix of hard and soft. Modern, chic, and urban styles will fuse celestial liberation together. Hair and makeup will be very avant-garde, creating an even more elevated mood. All looks will and have been thought out with the highest levels of design. Fabrics will have texture and designs will have volume. Design aesthetic will be for performers, keeping celebrities in mind, very high-end and luxe.
Very cool. That's great. You just encapsulated your whole concept right there.
Yes.
That is awesome. Cool. I love it.
I'm just trying to stay true to who I am as a designer, and then just letting hair and makeup kind of fuse in together this celestial, what's the word? Almost like a outer space kind of futuristic. I guess that's the word, futuristic feel.
Very cool. Very cool. That's good. Who are you as a designer? Don't worry about the show itself and the theme, but who's your audience? Who's the woman or the man that wears your clothes?
So the person that I cater to is a person that is very on trend, likes to shop, likes to look good, and doesn't mind spending money on looking good.
What description do you fall under? Is it gowns, formal wear, streetwear?
I would say streetwear.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I call myself urban chic.
Cool.
Because I do have some very high-end pieces, but not so much gowns. Maybe a very structured jacket, or maybe some really nice tailored pants.
We're getting ready down to the wire. We're only about 6 weeks out from the show and everything.
I'm stressed.
At what point are you at construction-wise?
Construction-wise, well, I do have some patterns already done and ready to go. I'm waiting on my fabric swatches to finalize what fabrics I'm going to be using, and then hopefully have my fabric ordered by next week, and then start sewing next week.
Very cool. That's awesome. Good. All right, cool. That's awesome. Yeah. Now, I hear that you have a special guest performer that's going to be on stage with you guys.
I do.
Yes. You want to bring her around so we can introduce everybody?
Come here.
So I'll let you do the introduction. She's come up famous in Tampa already. Let's get over right here. There you go.
So this is Michaela, and she is a local Tampa artist, and her music is amazing. And I have the liberty or the opportunity to be able to work with her for this show, and I'm really excited.
Me too.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thank you so much. And I know that your big thing was that you said that you opened up for a very famous group at the Ritz. What was that?
It was for Wu-Tang. One of my really good friends, Isaru, and I. I'm on one of his songs.
That is amazing.
So,
that's a really great claim. That's
Wu-Tang.
really awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
So what's your singing style?
I was raised around classic music, opera, and rap, and a little bit of rock. So I kind of had, as I grew up over the years, I kind of learned how to combine everything. But right now, my focus is more so R&B and pop music.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to be a perfect fit for the show.
Yeah,
most
I think
definitely.
so.
So I thank you so much. And Dani, I love the fact that you're making this. It's not just a segment. This is fashion and music and everything. It's awesome.
Well,
so I'm really excited.
Music inspires me a lot. I actually aspire to dress performers. So any chance I'm like, oh, wait, I'm going to make her something, I'm going to make him something. So So yeah, so I sent her a message and she was like, hell yeah. So here we are.
That's awesome. Very cool. Well, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for doing this interview with me and everything. And everybody, please remember, you're going to see this star on stage wearing some amazing clothes by House of Dani. So please check us out. It's going to be Sunday, February 20th. Tickets are on sale already through cocktailsandcouture.com. And thank you so much for watching our little video.
Bye.
Cool.